The Moto Z3 Play details and specifications. Motorola introduced the Moto Z2 and Z2 Play in July last year. Those who were seen in technology circles were seen. This year, Motorola intends to introduce its latest smartphones Z3, Z3 Pro and Z3 Play. However, it is not clear that all the three phones of Motorola will be available. However, some details of the Moto Z3 Play in tech blogs One Lexus and Clothes have been leaked. According to these details, Motorola Z3 will be available for the phone 18:9 panel. Its home button will be placed on the right-hand side of the volume button. The power button on the left, while magnetic connectors will be installed on the bottom of the phone as before. This phone size will be less than 7 in terms of previous models, while 3.5mm audio jack will not be installed. As far as the hardware is concerned, it is expected that the phone will be Snapdragon 636 chip. This is the same chip which is also used in Redmi Note 5 Pro. In addition, other features of the Motorola Z3 include 6GB temporary memory, 64GB of permanent memory, 12MP core and 8MP secondary camera. While it is expected to include a 3000 mAh battery. This phone is likely to be introduced in June this year.